Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: the device model, OS build, and when it was last fully charged so you know a baseline. Next, inspect battery health in settings and look for physical issues like swelling. If present, stop and replace the cell. Once done, turn off Bluetooth, location, and background app refresh to halt obvious drains. These actions give immediate data and reduce consumption, so you can measure improvements as you proceed to deeper troubleshooting. Now you dive into per app battery stats to find the culprits. Focus on apps using disproportionate CPU or wake locks. If an app misbehaves, force stop it and test. Uninstall and reinstall if problems persist. Make sure background sync is set to manual or longer intervals, and switch non-essential accounts from push to fetch or manual. Also check for rogue services like location or media scanning. These targeted changes reduce persistent wake events that silently drain your battery over hours. Finish by updating the operating system and all apps. Patches often fix background bugs that cause drain. Then perform a calibration. Charge to 100% uninterrupted, use until near empty, and recharge to 100% again to reset reporting. If the drain continues, reset network settings or boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Make sure to test after each change. If none of these steps work, you likely need a battery replacement or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.